It's actually, I don't think it's morning anymore, but that's okay. I pulled up some of the sweet potatoes that bloomed. This one it's got a whole leaf. It's got orange or yellow, maybe I can't even tell my colors. It's got purple stems, purple stem. It had a single usable size storage root. This one is pink. Again, a single usable size storage root, but when the roots came up, you can tell that there were other roots at the end of these. So my guess is that a lot of it was left in the ground. And then it had one stringy root attached. This one here is the only one that was white that bloomed. And it's, you can see it's just a long stringy root. No storage roots, but again, it's very possible and indeed likely that there were storage roots attached at the end of these. So that's the white one. And then these two, I think, are clones of the same plant, but I'm not sure because I didn't keep track of where I planted last year's clones. So they both have the I guess they call that finger leaf over there. They both got purple stems, and they both got a good sized cluster of roots. Okay, so that's the root cluster, and it was right under the plant, which is a good thing. And there's the root cluster on the other one. They've got some small but eatable size roots. So those are the 5. I've pulled up, I have one more to pull up that isn't ready yet. Well, it is ready, but it's right next to another plant that I'm trying to get seeds from. So these 5 are our clones for next year at this point. This one here seems to be our best option for edible size roots. And like I said, the cluster is right under the main stems, so that's a positive. This one right here, the pink one, it had a lot of good sized vines on it that had a single stem with a cluster of flowers at the end, and a lot of them had fallen off the stems. So it apparently bloomed earlier this year and I wasn't paying attention, so we may end up with seedlings from that next year if I can convince Dad not to till. Anyway, so that is what we have so far. I have another group of roots downstairs from plants that did not bloom. I may be planting them out next year. I haven't decided yet. But these 5 are the ones that did bloom, and 4 of them have usable size roots. So that is this year's test. All of these will be going in the ground next spring. I'll be keeping clones over the winter, and I will talk with you later.